Hi there and welcome to a new video. I know it's been quite some time, but I've been very busy with projects of mine, with my student job and with my internship I've begun since yesterday. So I've really been trying to do as many things as I can with my time. But yeah, I would like to make a video today. We're just gonna do a small update on a couple of things. Not huge video. So no big stock buyings today or other things. Anyways, so I'd like to do a Brexit update. So I've read in the comments about some of you being in European countries but still being able to buy stocks and trade stocks. So that's really something I wonder how this is possible. Because I have just not been able to do this. So if we look into my stocks, they're doing pretty well today. They weren't doing well 2 days ago, so take this with a little grain of salt. My stock portfolio is up 5%, but it could be up 2% next tomorrow. Just if we look at Apple, which is doing pretty good for me, you can see in the last 3 months or so, stock has really gone up. I believe it will still go up to where it was January. Anyways, as you can see up here in the left, I cannot buy or sell this stock at the moment. It's just not possible for me. So even if I go here on the bottom, I'm clicking on buy and on sell, I just cannot. Now I do have some dividends. I also want to show you this. I got $50 in dividends last month. So let's look at the dividends. Okay, no, this is not here. I guess here we go. There we go. Transactions, custody fee, JP Morgan dividend, $22. That's exceptional. AT&T dividends, that's my third I've already received. SPG, Altria, a Realty. So that's really been awesome. And I am able to retrieve this money if I want. I can just put it into my regular account and then transfer it to another bank account if I wish to. But I'm not going to do this because as soon as Revolut finds a solution, I will be reinvesting. But until then, I'll be waiting for more updates about the situation. And if you have more info or just if you want to share about your experience in the comments, please go ahead. That way I could learn a lot from you, I think. So anyways, my stocks have been doing pretty well, but as I've said, not all the time. Home Depot is up after it was going down quite a bit. Coca-Cola is still down. But let's just take a look at my crypto for a minute or two. So here we're in my crypto. As you can see, my portfolio has gone up from 196 euros, what I bought in, to 307 euros. So that just goes to show you pretty much both of my coins, so Ethereum and Bitcoin, are up 150%. So up around 50% average, both of them. So yeah, this is pretty awesome. But yeah, yesterday Bitcoin, before jumping to 145 euros, my Bitcoin was only worth something like 103 euros. Ethereum has just jumped up too. So this is really a volatile market still, and I just want to let this, I'm not going to be selling and then buying again. Just want to see how this goes. Anyways, I think I've done a bit of an update here on my account. Unfortunately, I still, as I've said, I cannot buy nor sell on this account. So yeah, I'll have a little bit of money to invest right after Revolut lets me invest again. with my student job and my internship. So that's good, I guess, for the long term. So I can look forward to that. So, anyways, hope you have enjoyed this update. Maybe you've learned something from it. If you have a question, please do leave it in the comments, or just a remark you wanna let me know something. Please do tell me in the comments. I hope to see you soon, very soon, in my next video. And yeah, if you liked, please do go ahead and like the video and share with some of your friends who you know are interested in the subject. And yeah, see you very soon. Have a great day and have a great week.